welcome to my channel. I'm driving here from Minneapolis. The street is called Lake Street, going to St. Paul. Join me if you're not a subscriber. Smash that like button, subscribe, support the work. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. This is Lake Street, driving from St. Paul, from Minneapolis to St. Paul. Help us get to 10,000 subscribers. There's a DQ. Good place to eat ice cream. To my right or left over here, there's a place you can eat food. Now I'm crossing the Mississippi River. There's a bridge over here. I'm in Minneapolis. On the other side of the river is St. Paul. That's a river, Mississippi. Now I'm in St. Paul.